Hey everybody, Lee from URC. I want to talk to you guys a little bit about user interfaces. In my opinion, the most important piece of the system, because without it, you can't use it. It's kind of like the steering wheel in a car. And I think after 30 years, we've pretty well mastered it, and I think we make the nicest, especially a nice overall complement of interfaces in the market. All are built on a network-based topology, so they all work, function, and operate exactly the same, so when a user knows one, they know them all. Doesn't matter if it's handheld remote, if it's a wireless touch panel, if it's an in-wall touch panel, or if it's the free companion apps, they all do the same functions, from cameras to music metadata to two-way video. They all do the same things. Wide complement ranging from a 10-inch in-wall to an 8-inch in-wall to a 7-inch in-wall. The 8-inch even has built-in voice capability. 10-inch, 7-inch, and 5-inch tabletop. Great for applications like a desk, kitchen countertop, bar, concierge desk at an amenity space. Makes it easy for everybody to use and at convenient locations. The 10-inch can even be hardwired in applications where we're not allowed to have wireless. Think ESPN, CNN, NBC Studios, White House, and places like that. We needed that functionality. So 10-inch, 7-inch, 5-inch. 5-inch is a brand new piece for us. Great ergonomics. We even have dimples on the back, which is great for your hand feel. Key hard buttons. All these devices use Wi-Fi Quick Connect, which is a patented technology that gives you the benefit of both immediate functionality. When you push buttons, you don't have to wait for it to reconnect, but 3 to 4 days battery life. And I'm sure everybody's used to how it works with your phone, where your battery life is a lot shorter when you're on Wi-Fi. That's true of most remotes or touch panels as well. We have a patented technology that gets us the best of both worlds. We also have great handhelds that have key hard buttons on them. You know, the whole point of a remote is to not have to look up and down at it. I don't want to be a bobblehead. I can feel my way around these remotes. Everything has hand feel and indents. The TRC 1480, which is our best seller, even has built-in voice, which is killer. It does Amazon Alexa, it does Apple TV, it does Comcast Voice. A lot of these are exclusive partnerships with us. We'll talk about them more in a separate video. 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. We also have the TRC 1080 that doesn't have the voice built in, smaller screen, and the entry-level TRC 820, so you can use total control on your everyday project and still meet those budget requirements. We'll talk about that a little bit more in a separate video as well. All in all, I think the best way to let your customers use the system you're doing, give them a great experience that is truly theirs.